Are you ready for our second Spirit Halloween?
Don't forget to subscribe.
Mr. Howle. That guy is so big. Look at his mouth. His feet are so big. Looks like he's got some high heels on. Go over there, get closer. Maybe he's broken. You said this is pumpkin guts?
Yeah, that's pumpkin guts.
And all the sewage is going in and you're actually sitting on the sewage. So that's why you can touch all this stuff. So that's all the pumpkin guts from all the factory workers. Crawler. That guy's crazy. It's over by the Carvomatic. Yeah, I love his eyes. His LED eyes are cool. There's Punctured Pete. That dude looks crazy looking. It's like a headbanger. His eyes are cool.
Daddy, you want to move his head because I want to lay it sideways.
I think it's supposed to be that way. I don't know.
No, it's supposed to be forward. You can post it.
That's right, boys and girls. Who's next to get walloped by my hammer? To be the first on your block to say.
So all they have in this one is just Wacky Mo here. That's crazy. Look at his big feet. Look how skinny his little arms are. Look at those really huge feet. His hair is always so messed up. Alright, so that's like Monster Sam with his little crazy head. Go ahead, push him. That's the first time I've seen his like little jack-o'-lantern head.
I want to feel it.
It should be like a hard plastic or something like that. Oh, it's like rubber.
Daddy turned his head.
Did I? I think maybe you just set it down on there. So Sam from Trick or Treat, right?
I want to touch his face.
It's an awesome assortment of skulls. I really love the one with the spikes. It's Freddy Krueger, that's really cool. And a picture frame. Oh, it says never fall asleep, and then it shows Freddy. And which one did you find? So you got Pennywise.
Pennywise and then Georgie. It's a
Yeah,
balloon
Georgie
and
like disappears. One's a balloon and then Georgie like disappears.
No, Georgie.
And this looks like a Friday the 13th here. Camp Crystal Lake and then Camp Blood.
This is the Pennywise signs.
Yep, Pennywise string lights.
This one
And then these are the Sam Trick or Treat ones.
Yeah, that one just flickers. I'm gonna cut that one off the cardboard.
Oh, so it's like an It shadow light.
And they're all it.
Yeah, we really need that. That's really awesome. And I love this door cover up here too. Mike, you see like the little news story on Jack over here? It's Halloween Town.
Can you give me the newspaper? Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe.